Hey there guys, how's it going? Today what we're going to be talking about is the Linzer RC1386 Contractor roller covers. Yeah, now these covers are paint roller covers. They fit on a regular paint roller. This kind is extremely soft, extremely, and what that does is it makes it easier to absorb and hold on to, pick up the paint from the paint pan. Makes it, if it picks it up better, it picks it up really nice and absorbs really nice, that means it's going to roll on really nice and efficiently onto just about any surface. I've used this kind of paint roller probably for about 4 years now. When you get a house, there's always some kind of, a lot of times you're going to be painting and, spackling and, filling in holes and, repairing or whatever. You need the right equipment to do the job that's necessary. This kind of paint roller is what I've been using. It works very well. I've used it on just about every kind of surface you can think of, rough and bumpy and smooth, and it goes on really well and it absorbs really well. It holds the paint on really good. It sucks it up really good. It just is a good pick up and release cover. It's really good. It's almost feels like a sheep, like the sheep's wool. It's very soft. It's like cottony, It's really good. I've used it to paint the outdoors parts of my house and the indoors. Never really given me any issues. I know they have several different kinds of these, even the smaller ones, small areas. This goes on the brush really easily and simply. The inside is very smooth here to make it so it slides on really nicely without a whole lot of effort. But it stays on good too. It's not going to be put on there and, easily pulled off. It really makes painting a lot easier because you roll it with the paint on there. When you roll it down, it goes on so evenly. A lot of brushes will get these waves and ripples. Top part here, any of this part, you'll see like waves and ripples. You will see that when you roll it out, and when you try to roll out the paint onto the surface, you will see that there'll be areas that are lighter than others and everything. With this goes on with one even stroke. It goes on real precise and even. Yeah, that's why I keep buying them. It really does the job. It really makes painting a lot easier and doesn't seem to unevenness to rolling it on. It is really good. I've used these for a while and I've used them several times. I paint a lot. Not like every month, but in a year I paint probably about maybe 10 times, I'm talking pretty big jobs too, not like one spot on the wall. I'm talking like painting over large pieces of furniture or walls outdoors and stuff, like drywall and things like that, because I'm always working on my house and, trying to fix it and make it look really nice. I still got a lot of stuff to do, but this really works good. I like this brand and it's very economical. This is not the the most expensive one in the shop. It does the job well for me. I like it a lot, and I hope you guys use this information. I will see you soon. Okay? Alright, this is the Linzer RC1386 Contractor roller covers. Alright, I'll talk to you in a bit. Bye-bye.